niya.
Daddy! Dad, can we go now?
Excuse me. Honey, sweet lang. Daddy's working pa. Okay? Wait lang. Yeah. Magpatid na kayo na itong si Ziggy sa driver, ha? Mukhang kanina pa uwi to, eh. Okay?
Sige, sir.
I'll see you later, buddy. Okay? Alright.
Kid.
Thanks. Thanks after his mom. May she rest in peace. Are you done with this? You want me to punch this already?
Yes, please.
Okay. Sorry medyo understaffed kami. Nagpakasyon kasi yung mga empleyado.
I'm sorry. I mean, about your wife. I didn't know.
That's exactly why you shouldn't be sorry. You didn't know. You know, my wife led a good life. Despite the cancer.
I hate cancer.
Yeah, me too. Traidor yan.
I hope you don't find this intrusive. But may I know your name?
Oh, sorry. Hindi ko ginagawa yung trabaho ko. Ako nga pala si Samuel Ledesma Jr. Sam for short. At your service.
Alam mo, may kliyente ako said almost the exact same thing about cancer and suffering. Ano pangalan niya? Oh, yun, Samuel Ledesma Jr. Yun.
Do you happen to know a guy named Vincent Soriano?
Soriano. Ah, big guy. Yeah, tall. Really buffed up. Sells cars, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he's a guy who sold me his car 4 years ago. Kinda hard not to forget him. Kasi, it's just strange eh. Nung panahon na yun, nilireto niya sa akin yung ex-wife niya. I'm sorry. I didn't get your name.
I'm Eulalia Agate, but you can call me Lali. I used to be Mrs. Lali Soriano, ex-wife of Vincent. Yes, ako nga.
Well, in that case, Lali, ako nga pala si Samuel Ledesma Jr. Sam for short. At your service.
You do realize that you just introduced yourself again, right?
Sorry, I tend to be nervous around ex-wives. Sorry. Ba't ka ba sorry na sorry? Okay lang yan. You know, acting silly around women who laugh
Ito sa
easily.
bookstore, pag ganyan katagal
Ibig
mag-usap
sabihin,
yung nagko-compute ng ano tsaka. Tapos bumaba na yung pila.
Nakakabullshit.
Na,
Bakit? Eh, wala naman daw customer.
Life really is full of surprises.
Dalawa tinginan lang ang kabila.
Eric, wait!